Hello everyone, I am Victor Damut and a practicing librarian. I want to share with you from what I learned in the last Library Automation Masterclass that I had, and this was organized by the famous digital librarian, also known as Sylvester. I want to sincerely say thank you for this opportunity you've given me and other few professionals who have joined in this training. We will all testify to the fact that we have changed our concept or mentality, the way we think modern libraries have really drastically changed. Three softwares we looked at, which is the Active Shelf, the New Gen Lib, and Koha. I've come to see such great power in digitizing our libraries. Digitizing libraries is so much exciting because this has a lot to do with making library access to be so easy. In 2024, we are not supposed to be talking about using Excel, using Microsoft, even though these are also ways in which we make libraries become easily accessible. But these softwares have made libraries become so much easy to use, to navigate, to be able to register patrons, to have each of your department registered on these softwares, the circulation unit, the cataloging unit, the reference section. Every of these units have its own admin section where it operates and takes statistics of users of that particular section or unit in a day. So I was able to register new users. For example, registering a patron who comes into the library and is new. I was able to register myself also as a patron, and it's so exciting to see how the demo works, allowing you as the admin to provide access to users into the library using this technology, using ICT, using this software. So all of these softwares work almost the same thing. They look alike, their features, their interface, almost the same thing. So I just want to say thank you. I cannot exhaust what I've learned so much practically from this class. Thank you to Christopher, thank you to Mr. Jeremiah, thank you to Ms. Yo, and all the facilitators who have come and put this together to make sure that librarians are digitally inclined, librarians are digitally taught, and they are practicing, the new trends, the modern libraries. What our library needs is to become automated, and I'm happy to say that I am well trained in this master class, and I am ready also to train others, students of LIS, library professionals in the libraries who don't have idea on how this Koha works, on how New Gen Lib works. We're going to do this together. And so thank you to Mr. Sylvester. Thank you so much, Doctor, for what you do. Thank you for the knowledge shared with us. And I want to share this with my colleagues outside there. If you come across this video, if you come across this announcement, please join the Library Automation Masterclass. Thank you.